using a clip-on strobe to photograph an image of your choice. Depending on how you use a clip-on strobe, you can photograph a variety of images. In this video, I will show you the difference of light direction and light qualities when using a clip-on strobe. We have the subject stand in front of a white background. First, we attach a clip-on strobe to a hot shoe on top of the camera and take a photo. This time, we are using the Godox V1. We photograph with the camera in portrait position. In portrait position, the strobe goes on the left side and we make a hard shadow on the right side of the subject. When you use a clip-on strobe and shoot in portrait position, depending on how you hold the camera, you are able to bring the shadow to the left or right. We don't want a lot of shadows, so next we attach the clip-on strobe to a stand and use it as an off-camera strobe. When we do this, we attach a transmitter to the hot shoe. We set the strobe directly above the camera, and when we photograph, we get a shadow behind the subject and it won't be so visible. Next, we set the clip-on strobe at about a 45-degree angle from the subject and have the light hit directly. The light hits the face, creating shading and making a three-dimensional effect, but since the clip-on strobe itself is hard lighting, the highlights look flat. Next, we bring the clip-on strobe directly to the side. Because the light is from the side, the contrast between the highlights and shadows look dramatic, but it's hard light, so it doesn't look pretty. Next, we attach the clip-on strobe to a softbox. Like the first time, we place the softbox directly in front of the subject. Compared to the direct light from the clip-on strobe before, these shadows behind the subject have become softer. It looks very nice. Next, we shoot with the softbox set at a 45-degree angle from the subject. The face looks three-dimensional, and the light quality is softer, and the subject looks more beautiful than the photo before. Let's try bringing the softbox directly to the side. It's a similar dramatic image, but the light is softer than before and the shadows are brighter. However, the softbox is small and is at a distance from the subject, so the light is a bit hard. We want the light to be softer, so we put the strobe behind the white curtain and directly the light at an angle. The white curtain diffuses the light, and While being three-dimensional light is also soft and the image has become even more beautiful. It's very beautiful light. You can make the lighting softer when using a clip-on strobe by using it as an off-camera strobe or attaching it to a softbox. Furthermore, if you use a white curtain, you can make the lighting even softer and will be able to take beautiful photos of women. Please try it yourselves.